Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Samsung charger is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone relying on their Samsung device throughout the day, ensuring you never miss a beat with its rapid power delivery, transforming frustratingly long charging times into mere minutes, and keeping you connected whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, making dead batteries a distant memory. Number 5. Samsung Type-C Fast Charger Kit with 10-foot cable. Discover the ultimate charging solution for your Android devices. This kit provides reliable, high-speed power, ensuring your phone is always ready when you are. This charger is designed for a broad range of Samsung Galaxy phones, including the latest S and Note series. It also supports other USB Type-C devices that utilize adaptive fast charging technology. You can rely on it for many of your gadgets. Experience incredible charging speeds. This adaptive fast charger can power up your device to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's 75% faster than what standard chargers can offer. Your device's safety is paramount. This charger incorporates intelligent circuit design to protect against common charging hazards like short circuits and overheating. It even stops charging automatically once your battery is full, preventing overcharging. The included 10-foot Type-C cable provides ample length for convenient charging anywhere. Beyond fast charging, it also supports super-speed data transfer at 480 megabits per second, perfect for syncing your smartphones and tablets. Each package comes complete with 2 fast-wall chargers and 2 extra-long 10-foot Type-C charging cords. This ensures you have a reliable charging solution for multiple locations or devices. What we like. This kit provides rapid charging for your Samsung devices. It comes with 2 long 10-foot cables, offering great flexibility and reach. If you are looking for a complete charging solution with extra long cables for convenience, this dual pack is an excellent choice. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any helpful points from the empty input. Number 4. AINOPE 60W USB-C to USB-C cable 2-pack, 6.6 feet. Tired of charging cables breaking at the joints? This cable features an ergonomic 90-degree L design. It successfully prevents typical wear and connection issues, increasing its longevity. Withstands over 400,000 bends, lasting 30 times longer than ordinary cables. Its military-grade nylon braid and laser welding technology ensure it won't break. This is built to outlast your device. Experience 60W fast charging, powering your phone from 0% to 88% in just 35 minutes. It also offers rapid data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second. An internal smart chip ensures stable, safe charging without overheating. Its ergonomic design allows you to comfortably play games, watch videos, or read while charging. It's perfect for cramped corners, couch sessions, or car mounts. Enjoy uninterrupted use without blocking your hand. This USB-C to USB-C cable is compatible with virtually all your USB-C devices. It works seamlessly with the latest iPhones, Samsung Galaxies, iPads, MacBooks, and more. Please note, it is not compatible with USB-A or Lightning ports. You receive a 2-pack of these durable cables, backed by an 18-month worry-free period. Our 24/7 professional consultation ensures any questions are resolved quickly. It's a smart investment for lasting connectivity. What we like. This cable features an innovative 90-degree right-angle design, perfect for comfortable use while charging. It boasts military-grade durability, tested to withstand 400,000 bends, ensuring it lasts. If you frequently game or watch videos while charging and need a cable that won't break easily, this is your go-to. What people say. Number 3. Universal Type-C Fast Charging Kit. Tired of slow charging? This Universal Type-C Fast Charging Kit is designed to power up your devices quickly and efficiently. It's the perfect solution for your modern mobile lifestyle. Equipped with advanced QC 2.0 3.0 technology, it ensures your devices charge at their optimal speed. You can sync and charge simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Your device's safety is paramount. Built with PC fireproof material and multiple protections, it guards against overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, ensuring complete peace of mind. This versatile charger supports a vast range of popular devices, including Samsung Galaxy, Motorola, LG, Google Pixel, and OnePlus. It's designed to work seamlessly with many of your favorite gadgets. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for any setting. Whether you're at home, work, or traveling, simply plug it in and enjoy convenient, fast power wherever you are. Each package includes 2 USB wall chargers and 2 3-foot USB-C cables, providing a complete charging solution right out of the box. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. This charger block and cable combo prioritizes safety with multiple built-in protections. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for travel or daily use. If you value safety and a convenient, easy-to-carry charging solution for various devices, this pack offers great value. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Anker 45W USB-C charger block. Experience lightning-fast charging with this powerful 45W charger. It's specifically designed for Samsung devices, boasting super fast charging 2.0. You can power up a Galaxy S23 Ultra to full capacity in under 60 minutes, ensuring you're always ready to go. Your device's safety is paramount. This charger is equipped with 10 safety enhancements, including short-circuit protection, high-voltage protection, and temperature control. It ensures a secure and worry-free charging experience for all your devices. Don't let its size fool you, this charger is a compact powerhouse. It's 30% smaller than a standard 45W USB-C charger, yet it doesn't skimp on power. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable and perfect for your on-the-go lifestyle. This device utilizes innovative gallium nitride, or GaN, technology. This allows for improved energy efficiency and superior heat dissipation. This cutting-edge approach results in smaller, safer chargers that never compromise on power. With your purchase, you'll receive the charger itself and a comprehensive welcome guide. It also comes with an 18-month worry-free warranty and dedicated customer service for your peace of mind. What we like. This 45W charger offers lightning-fast super-fast charging 2.0, powering up compatible devices in under an hour. It features a compact, foldable design, making it incredibly portable. If you own a high-end Samsung device and prioritize the absolute fastest charging in a small form factor, this block is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Samsung Fast Charger Kit with Type-C cord. Experience lightning-fast charging with this device. It can power your battery from 0 to 50% in just 30 minutes, making it 75% faster than standard chargers. This charger is designed for a wide range of devices. It's compatible with numerous Samsung Galaxy models, Google Pixel, LG, and many other USB Type-C devices. Charge with confidence thanks to its built-in safeguards. It protects against short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and overheating, ensuring a safe charge every time. This intelligent charger recognizes your battery status. It automatically stops charging when full, preventing overcharging and extending your device's lifespan. Not just for power, this kit also offers high-speed data transfer. It charges your devices at max speed and allows data syncing at up to 480 megabits per second. Each package provides a complete charging solution. You'll receive 2 15W wall charger blocks and 2 3.3-foot USB-A to Type-C cables. What we like. This charger kit provides Quick Charge 3.0 technology, getting your battery to 50% in just 30 minutes. It includes robust safeguard protections against various charging issues. If you need a reliable and safe fast charging solution for a wide range of Samsung devices, this dual pack delivers consistent performance. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.